What if tomorrow you suddenly lose your job or you get sick and you are unable to work for months? Who will pay the bills? Have you ever thought about this? We always work hard to provide for our families. But what if something unexpected happens? Do you have other source of income? I am Lori, a former OFW in Singapore and now an online entrepreneur. Like many of you, I work hard to earn a living, giving money for my family, sacrificing time for my loved one. But then reality hit me. I lost my job. And because of my age, it became hard to find work. That's when I realized something. No job is ever secured. If I will keep on relying on my salary, I will be one step away for financial struggle. I needed a backup plan, something that will support me and my family no matter what. That's when I found the solution. I have discovered this online business that has changed many lives. I was skeptical at first. I searched if this is not a scam. I had no experience. I am not tech savvy. And I didn't know if I can do it. But after my research, I found out that the business is legit. And I saw other people just like me succeeding. So I thought, if they can do it, why can't I? So I paid the $149 to see what is in the inside. And today, I am beyond grateful that I did. This business has given me a new source of income, flexibility, and most importantly, peace of mind, knowing that I will no longer be stuck in the cycle of paycheck to paycheck. And here's the good news, you can do it too. No experience needed, step-by-step training is provided, a supportive community who will guide you, and a proven system that works. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a real opportunity to those who are ready to make a change. The first step, watch our free workshop. I invite you to sign with your name and email on my website, and I will give you the link for the workshop. No commitment, just information that could change your life. Don't wait for a crisis to realize that you need a plan B. Let's start preparing now because we deserve time and financial freedom. Let's do this together.